Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I'm Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we have fun. We make great cocktails, at least we think they're great cocktails, and we think that you're going to enjoy them. Well, today's cocktail, it kind of seems like in the last couple of weeks we've been doing cocktails and they've all got names that are themed to rock and roll music and pop music. Well, today is no different. So, today's cocktail, and once again, it wasn't named after this album, but we are making a cocktail called The Endless Summer. You may know the Beach Boys. That was their release in 1974, their only #1 album ever produced. Well, let's get pouring The Endless Summer. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker glass. Now, what I want you to do is throughout this video, I'm going to drop some names of some songs that the Beach Boys put on that album. At the end of the video, leave a comment, leave us a like, let us know how many different songs that you picked up when we did. Rhonda, help me out here, would you? We're going to start in the shaker glass, and our first ingredient in there is going to be some freshly squeezed lime juice. We are going to put in there 1/2 ounce. We're using fresh lime juice because you know fresh is best. Our next ingredient going in there is some simple syrup. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of this. And that's going in there. If you're getting into this, you're going to catch a wave. Now we are going to use some elderflower liqueur. We're going to use 1 ounce of that in there. My next ingredient going in there is going to be some vodka. Today I'm using Grey Goose. We're going to put a good full 2 ounces in there. I did say we're having fun. Now, this is everything that we need in that shaker glass. So we are going to ice this up and shake it down. Now you want to give this a really good shake, about 10 or 15 seconds. You're really going to have some good vibrations in here. We got it nice and cold. If that's not enough to fill up your little deuce coupe, I don't know what's going to do it for you. We've got our highball glass now. We're going to need to ice this up. All right, I've got my strainer. Let's just give this a pour. We're almost at the top on there, but if we're going to get that nice refreshing wave, let's catch a wave. We're going to top this off with some club soda, and all I have left to do is garnish. For that, we're going to take a little bit of mint. We're going to give that a slap. That's going to express some of those mint oils in there. It's going to make it nice and fresh. And since we want it really refreshing, what better than to use a little bit of cucumber? We'll drop one of those on the side. We'll drop another one on the side. Let's give this a taste. Every time I make an elderflower drink, I say this. It just adds a taste of elegance to this. It's bright, it's refreshing, it's soothing. You've got that aroma of the mint. You've got the aroma of the fresh cucumber in there. This one is going to keep you cool all summer long. Cheers, everybody. Make sure you hit the like. Make sure you hit the subscribe. How many songs did I name in this one? We will see you at the next cocktail.